Welcome to the City of Brotherly Brain. The process of cheese-making begins with the collection of milk from dairy animals. This milk is then pasteurized to kill off harmful bacteria and subsequently cooled. Following this, a starter culture is to convert the lactose into lactic acid. The world of cheese is filled with countless varieties and endless complexities. As we delve deeper, we'll explore the different processes that lead to the fascinating range of flavors and textures in cheese. Cheese, an essential component in many of our favorite dishes, has a history that dates back over 7,000 years. Originating in the Middle East, it was discovered by chance when milk stored in a sheep's stomach curdled. The resulting product, cheese, spread like wildfire across the globe, evolving into a myriad of distinctive types that we relish today. From the creamy camembert of France to the pungent Stilton of England, cheese has indeed transformed our culinary experiences. From accidental discovery to a global food staple, cheese has certainly come a long way. Ever pondered how a humble milk product metamorphoses into a delectable block of your favorite cheese? Allow me to enlighten you. The journey begins when milk encounters its indispensable ally, a starter culture, essentially comprised of friendly bacteria. Intriguingly, the type of starter culture used determines the final taste and texture of the cheese. For instance, mesophilic bacteria are used in making cheddar and Colby, whereas Swiss cheese uses thermophilic bacteria. This dynamic duo initiates the curdling process, methodically breaking down the lactose in the milk into lactic acid. Here's a mind-boggling fact. It takes approximately 10 pounds of milk to yield just 1 pound of cheese. Quite impressive, wouldn't you say? Now let's go back our curdling milk. Subsequently, an enzyme known as rennet is introduced, playing a crucial role in coagulation by causing the proteins in the milk to bond together and further solidify into curds. After this, the curds are meticulously cut and gently heated, which releases a distinct liquid known as whey. The remaining solid curd is the inception of our beloved cheese. This curd then proceeds through an elaborate process of salting, shaping, and pressing. Different methods of pressing, like cheddaring or knitting, create types such as cheddar and mozzarella, respectively. Finally, it's time for the cheese to mature. The cheese is carefully aged under optimal conditions, and it's here that the real magic unfolds. The flavors deepen, the textures transform, and voila, a unique cheese is born. Different aging techniques like cave aging, blue aging, or bloomy rind aging lend distinct flavors and textures the cheeses. The odyssey from milk to cheese is a captivating one indeed, filled with intricate steps and meticulous craftsmanship. Don't you agree? So, now you know how cheese is made, but the real question is, isn't it fascinating how a simple process transforms milk into something so delicious? The magic of cheese making is truly a culinary marvel. Are you ready to make your own cheese now? Comment below and share your thoughts.